Greeting Mark Brown here. As you can see right here, we have an Android phone right here, yes. So what we wanted to do with this particular Android phone, we want to remove a Gmail account from this here. So what I wanted to do is to scroll up until we find the word settings, right? And if you notice, settings is right here. This is where settings, right down here. So what you want to do, you want to click on it. When you click on settings, this is what going to come up in settings. You're going to take a time and scroll up till you see the word account. You're going to scroll up until you see the word account, right? And when you scroll up the word account, you see the word account, right? Let me zoom back out. That's good that you can actually see the word account right here. Let me bring it back up. Alright, if you notice, this is the word account right here. So you want to click on the word account. Now when you click on the word account, if you notice right here, these are the accounts. So this is the account that you want to remove. So you want to click on the account, and there you go. It's remove the account. You're going to click and remove. And notice this one to remove account. You're going to click on that, and there you go. And that's how you actually remove the account. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.